Today I am going to share you the recipe of Aloo Manchurian. Hope you will enjoy it. The main ingredients are 2 potatoes chopped in wedges, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, half cup green capsicum, half cup onions, 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 2 tablespoons Maida, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 2 tablespoons green onion, ginger and garlic, 2 tablespoons, spice box, white sesame seeds for garnishing and chilli vinegar. Take a pan, add some water and boil it. Add 1 tablespoon salt to it. Now add potatoes in the boiling water. After 2 minutes, take it out from the water. Add the potatoes in the glass bowl and then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, now add 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. Deep fry in hot oil and fry till golden brown. Place kadhai on the flame. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add ginger and garlic. Followed by green capsicum, onion, add spring onion and stir fry on the high flame. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, add soya sauce, vinegar mixture. Mix well. Add salt and chilli powder. And mix well. Finally, add fried potatoes and mix them well. Garnish it with white sesame seeds and serve it. Your delicious Aloo Manchurian is ready to serve.